All right, here's a couple of the cars that are going in. The mayor is driving the car here in the Derby. All of the tickets that people are inputting are going in for this car. You can drive against the mayor, police chief. Can't wait. Of course, we got some Big Pine sponsorship on there. Yeah. All right, you guys, I'm in the Derby tonight. Yeah, in thing 2. Yeah. You see those ARs? We're gonna take them down. My partner in crime over here.
That's right.
Thing 2.
Yeah.
We're gonna rock it on the mayor and the cops, right?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do it tonight.
No, there's no headhunting, Jared.
Oh yeah, sorry. We out. Thing 1, thing 2.
You got my phone?
All right, it's the 24th of July festivities here in Fairview, Utah. You guys want to see the cars that I'm in the heat with? Let's check them out.
Can you hear me?
So this is the Fairview Police Chief's car.
I got these buckets we're going to be sending around with these beautiful young ladies.
This is the car that I'm driving, thing 2.
We'll get into that later. Anyway, we're raising money for the American.
This is the Sanpete Sheriff, Sanpete County Sheriff.
About showing our appreciation for their sacrifice.
Very nice, very nice.
Here tonight, if it wasn't for the brave men and women.
This is the mayor's.
Proceeds go directly to the American Legion. And we got a little thing. My one granddaughter come up with.
Here's inmate number 23.
But we owe them all. So
And the final car, thing 1. There you have it. There's the heat.
Here they come. Donate, American Legion. We
Very
love
nice,
you.
very nice. Let me know who you think's gonna take it. Which car's the strongest?
Enjoy this evening.
Gonna be a good time. Huge thank you to Fairview City for all they do to provide entertainment. More info to come.
Money into these cars and got these guys out here and donated. Let's give a round of applause. Thank you. Good job to all these drivers. If you see any of the drivers throughout the night, let them know how much you appreciate them. They spent a lot of time out here. Everybody.
Got her.